If the auto rotation feature is not working on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, just open the control center, and in the control center, just look for the orientation lock icon. If this feature is enabled, just tap on it and disable orientation lock. But if you cannot find this icon in the control center, then just tap on the empty space in your control center and tap on add a control. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just select orientation lock to add it to your control center. Now just tap on anywhere to save the changes. Now if orientation lock is enabled, just tap on it and turn it off. And after you do that, you will fix the auto rotation not working issue on your iPhone. Now if this did not fix your issue, then just check if the issue is with a single app or with all the apps on your iPhone. If the issue is just with a single app, then just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the recent apps section and remove the app from the background. Now just reopen the app and check if your issue is fixed or not. Just like that. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings just tap on display and brightness. Now at the bottom of this page you will find the feature called display zoom. Now just tap on it, and if it is on larger text, just select default and tap on done. Select use standard, and after you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, and quickly press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on general. Now at the bottom of this page, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select reset all settings. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone. Now just remember that not all the apps on your iPhone supports auto rotation. Some apps like Instagram or some games like PUBG are designed for a specific orientation. Either it is portrait or landscape, so they do not support orientation change. But if the specific app supports orientation change, like YouTube, and if you have done all that and if none of these worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the auto rotation not working on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.